I am going to build an events app called Vini in public. Vini will be a marketplace for events, a place where event organizers can advertise and sell tickets to their events, and a place where anyone can buy a ticket to attend their favorite events. Vini will be similar to apps like Eventbrite, Dice, and SeatGeek, but I will be adding my own touches to make Vini unique in what it offers to both types of customers. Vini will allow users to browse events that are available in their area, search for events by name, location, or type of event, join waiting lists for events, buy, store, and redeem tickets to events. Plus, I'll add in a secret feature. That's a broad scope of what Vini will do. Now, here are the steps that I plan to take to develop Vini from scratch to having a production ready app in 22 weeks. Step 1, create a landing page. Step 2, research on event apps. Step 3, design Vini. Step 4, develop Vini. Step 5, test Vini. Step 6, prepare to launch Vini. Let me expand on each of these. The first step, I will be creating a landing page for Vini. The landing page will serve as a way to advertise the product. Anyone interested in being a part of this project or may just want to see and use the final product, then they will be able to join the waiting list for this product. Anyone who's part of this waiting list may be chosen to be a beta tester for the app when it's in its final stages, obviously. The second step, I will be doing research on event apps that are currently in the market. I'll be reviewing their user interface and user experience. I'll also try to speak to event organizers to hear their feedback and experiences with using event apps for their own events, trying to find out from first-hand experience what these event apps are good at doing and where they may fall short. The third step is all about designing Vini. I'll be taking the good from other apps and aiming to improve on areas where the other apps fall short. During this stage, I'll be aiming to create a brand for Vini to maintain consistency in visual design and messaging throughout the development of the product and beyond. The fourth step, I will start development of the product based on the designs from step 3. For the purposes of this project, I will be using a no-code tool to build an MVP of the product within the 22 weeks. The aim is to move as quickly as possible to get to this stage of the project, since it will take the most time. The fifth step is testing the product. During this step, I will be testing the product for bugs, glitches, and finding ways to optimize the product. The sixth step and the final step will be to prepare the app for launch. Now, just to be transparent, the purpose of this project is to show the process that it takes to get to this point. To get to the point where the app is production ready and can be listed on the app stores, where you can really start to build a business around the app. With that said, for me and for my software development agency called Melior, this entire project and journey is content for us and to give value to those who are interested in tech, in app development, in design, or those who are just curious about how we do things. Throughout this journey, I expect ups and downs, but it should be fun and a new experience for me and anyone who joins me. With that plan laid out, you can follow along and you can copy if you want, you can give feedback. I'll be reading all the comments and interacting with everyone who takes their time to interact. Next week, I'll be getting started on creating a landing page for Vini. If that piques your interest, tune in and I'll see you then.